In today's tutorial, I'll share with you a number of tools that you can use to enhance your images for absolutely free. But before we get started, if you're interested in knowing more about AI tools and how to use them to make your everyday work easier, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first tool is TinyWow, and you can get that at tinywow.com. So once you're here, you'll realize that there are so many other tools that you can go ahead and make use of. But we'll go over to the Upscale image option. So we'll just go ahead and click on this option. Now you can go ahead and upload your image either from your PC or from your mobile. So I'll just go ahead and upload my image over here. So I'll be using this image for all the upscalers that we'll be using today. Once you've uploaded your image, you can go ahead and upscale to 2x or even 4x. So I'll go for the 4x, and now I can go ahead and hit the upscale button. So this is just going to take a couple of minutes. Of course, you have to go ahead and prove that you're actually human. And yeah, your image will start processing. So once your image has been processed, you can choose to download your image, you can choose to keep editing, or you can even start over. In my case, I'll just go ahead and download my image, and with this tool, you can go ahead and upscale as many images as you want. Our second tool is ClipDrop. You can get this at clipdrop.co. So once you're here, again, there are so many tools that you can go ahead and take advantage of. But in this case, you'll just go to all the tools, and what you want is the image upscaler. So we'll just go over to the image upscaler and click on that. Once you're here, you can go ahead and upload your image over here. And if you're on a free account, you can go ahead and upscale your image up to 2x. But if you want to upscale any more, you'll have to get a pro account, and that will allow you to upscale your images up to 16x. Now we'll just go ahead and upload our image, the same one that we used earlier. As you can see, you can go ahead and upscale a batch of 10 images all at once. And all you have to do is just go ahead and add all the images together. Then you can choose the level of upscale that you want. And after that, just go ahead and hit the upscale button. So in this case, I'm just upscaling this one image. And in just a few minutes, your image is ready. Now, at this point, you can go ahead and compare your two images, your original image and the upscaled image. And if it's up to standard, you can go ahead and download it. So now, in this case, I'll just go ahead and concentrate on her eyes, her eyebrows, her eyelashes, generally the area around the eyes, the hairline, her veil. So according to my image, I feel like these are some of the things that will tell you how good or bad the upscale level is. Now, I'd say this is pretty good for a free upscaler, but stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Now, let's go on to our next tool. So this tool is none other than PixelCut. To get to this, go to pixelcut.ai. So once you're here, again, there are a bunch of tools that you can take advantage of, but you're just going to go ahead and use the image upscaler. So we'll just go over to the image upscaler button and click on it. And once you're here, now all you need to do is go ahead and upload your image. So I'll just go ahead and upload the same image that I've been using again. Now, with this tool, you can upscale up to 4x, but in the free tier, you can only upscale up to 2x. And the highest that you can actually upscale your image is up to 4,000 pixels. Now, in the free tier, you can only get to 2,000 pixels. Now, our image has been upscaled, and you can just go ahead and zoom it so that you can see clearly. Again, we'll just concentrate on the areas around the eye. Like this one has done a very good job with the eyelashes and the eyebrows. Like they are really, really good. But when it comes to the skin texture, I feel like the original image had better skin texture than the upscaled one. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but looking at this, yeah, that is what I'd say. But everything else, it's actually been done really well. Now, you can take advantage of this tool and just go ahead and upscale your images for free. And if you want to batch upscale, you will have to go ahead and get a pro account. Also, if you want to upscale up to 4x, you'll also have to go ahead and get a pro account. Now, let's move on to our next tool, which is Upscale Media. Again, once you're here, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the upload image option. You can also try the batch mode, but with this, you'll need to get a pro account. Now, I'll just go ahead and upload my image. Again, I'll just go ahead and use the one that I've been using all through. So you can go ahead and compare the two images and see which one works best for you. Again, you can see you can go ahead and check every part of your image. It's just going to be magnified and you'll have a better view. So once you've decided the image that you want, or maybe both, you can go ahead and download your images. Now you can choose to go ahead and have the enhance quality button on or off. And you can also go ahead and upscale your images all the way to 8x. So that's totally up to you. Now, the downfall with this tool is that you get very few credits per month. So if you're someone that upscales a lot, this may not be the tool for you. So you may want to check out any of the other tools that I'm going to share with you or that I've already shared with you. The last tool that I'm going to share with you is I Love Image. And to get this, you'll go over to iloveimage.com. Again, there are so many tools that you can go ahead and take advantage of over here. But again, you'll just go over to the upscale image option. Once you click on this, you can go ahead and start upscaling your images. With this tool, you can go ahead and batch upscale your images. For instance, in this case, I'll just go ahead and click on this and click on select images. Then I'll go ahead and select like 3 images to upscale at once. So in this case, I'll choose the image that I've been using and I'll just go ahead and add 2 more. And now the images are being upscaled all at once. So once the upscale is complete, you can see this is the 2x. You can use it for free. And as you can see, the image upscale is really, really good. So this is just one of the images. So we can go ahead and look at the second image. And again, you can see the quality of this image. It's just so good. So if you're upscaling just a few images per day, you can absolutely use this for free. And if you want to upscale more images and you want a paid tool, then this is one of the tools that are absolutely worth their salt. So if you're just upscaling a few images, you can consider using this. You do not even have to sign up for an account. And you can upscale all the way to 4x for absolutely free. For instance, in this case, I have gone ahead and used the 4x option. So once you're satisfied with the level of upscale, now all you need to do is just go ahead and hit the upscale button. So as you can see, the image that we've been using with all the other tools, like this tool has really done this image some justice. Just look at this. I haven't seen any other AI tool that has done such a good job as this one. So now, once you're satisfied with the level of upscale, all you need to do is just go to the very bottom and you're just going to go ahead and hit the upscale button. So this is just going to start upscaling our images, and once they are ready, we can just go ahead and download all of them to our computer. So our images are ready to download. Just go ahead and hit the download button. As you can see, we've done all this without having to even register for an account. So it's totally up to you to decide what your upscaling needs are and to decide which of these tools is going to serve you best. For instance, if you upscale just a few images in a day, you can go ahead and use I Love Image. You're going to absolutely love their upscale. And if you're upscaling a lot of images, then you may want to choose any of the other options. Now, if you know any other free upscaler that you can go ahead and use, make sure you put it in the comment section so that other people can also benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.